Hello and welcome. In this video, we write a JavaScript function to check if a given string is a palindrome. A palindrome is a word or phrase that reads the same forward and backward. It will handle spaces, symbols, and even case sensitivity. Let's get started and see how clean logic can solve this classic problem. Palindromes are symmetrical words or phrases. We need to write a function that identifies them accurately, even if they are spaces, punctuation, or uppercase letters. Our goal is to return only true when the string matches its reverse version after cleaning. We start by converting the inputs into lowercase and stripping out any non-alphanumeric characters. Then, we compare characters from both ends moving inward. If we find a mismatch, it is not a palindrome. Otherwise, it passes all checks and we return true. This approach uses a simple loop to compare matching pairs from the start and end of the string. If all characters pairs match up to a midpoint, we know the string is a palindrome. It also smartly exits early on mismatches for efficiency. When we test the function with common inputs, it works as expected. Madam and Mrs. Run passes the check, while Fox fails. The function is case insensitive and ignores spacing and punctuation, just like we wanted. While palindromes may seem like a novelty, they appear in genetics, linguistics, and programming challenges. They also help you build muscle memory for string manipulation, an essential part of JavaScript development. Great job! You now know how to write a JavaScript function that accurately checks the palindrome. You clean the input, handle edge cases, and compare characters effectively. Plus, you saw how to simplify it with ES6 syntax. Keep practicing and build up your string logic. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.